Hallucinations are fascinating sensory experiences that occur in the absence of any external stimuli. They can feel genuine to the person experiencing them and can be either positive or negative. Let's explore the 5 types of hallucinations together. 1. Visual hallucinations are the most frequently encountered type. They involve the sense of sight and can manifest as seeing lights, faces, various colors, animals, ghosts, divine beings like God or aliens, as well as more menacing creatures. These visions are not actually present in the physical world. 2. Auditory hallucinations, on the other hand, involve the sense of hearing. People experiencing auditory hallucinations may perceive sounds such as music, ringing telephones, footsteps, door and window noises, or even people talking about them in a negative or demeaning manner. Sometimes, individuals hear messages from religious figures, deceased loved ones, or saints that healthy people don't hear. 3. Olfactory hallucinations relate to the sense of smell. Those with olfactory hallucinations may detect scents of perfume, flowers, food, chemicals, smoke, or other unpleasant odors, even though there is no corresponding source in their surroundings. 4. Tactile hallucinations engage the sense of touch. Individuals with this type of hallucination may feel sensations on their skin or within their bodies that aren't actually happening. They might describe a sensation of being kissed by someone, feeling insects crawling on their skin, despite no visible insects, or sensing movement in their internal organs. And 5. Gustatory hallucinations involve the sense of taste. People experiencing gustatory hallucinations may perceive strange flavors in their mouths, even without having consumed anything. For instance, they might taste a metallic or unusual flavor without any apparent cause. Now, let's discuss the possible causes of hallucinations. Various factors, including medications, substance abuse, and certain health conditions, can trigger hallucinations. Neurological, mental, and psychiatric disorders such as epilepsy, psychosis, schizophrenia, post-traumatic stress disorder, and Alzheimer's disease may contribute to hallucinatory experiences. Moreover, intense stress or grief can also heighten the risk of hallucinations. Fortunately, there are treatments available for hallucinations. Psychotherapy and medications are 2 commonly prescribed treatments that can be tailored to everyone's specific needs. To minimize the risk of hallucinations, it is advisable to manage alcohol consumption, avoid substance abuse, and prioritize healthy sleep habits. If you're experiencing hallucinations, it's crucial to consult a qualified healthcare provider who can guide you through the appropriate treatment options. And those are the 5 types of hallucinations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel so we can continue reaching and helping more people. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.